Khawaja Mohammed Asif, Federal Minister for Defense of Pakistan.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Mr. President, let me state at the outset that no sustainable development can take place till tragedies like Gaza are perpetuated by the developed world. Mr. President, the adoption of Pact of the Future is an expression of our collective determination to respond to the global challenges of security and development that threaten the present and future generations. For the over 100 developing countries, the Pact offers an opportunity to revitalize development and to reform unequal international financial economic system. The Pact will be transformative only if we translate the commitments undertaken into concrete actions. To bridge the 4 trillion SDG financing gap, we must fulfill the long-standing ODA commitments, implement the Secretary General's SDG stimulus proposal, rechannel 50% of the unused 2021 allocation of SDRs, deliver a bigger, better, and more ambitious IDA by ensuring a robust $100 billion replenishment in December this year, enlarge lending by the multilateral development banks, and lower borrowing costs of developing countries. Improve the representation of developing countries in international financial institutions. Review the sovereign debt architecture to make it more equitable. Adopt an equitable international tax regime and reform the WTO to serve as a vehicle for export expansion and development through preferential treatment for developing countries and avoidance of new environmental protectionism. The UN, by virtue of its universal membership and mandate, remains an indispensable platform to propel and monitor implementation of these commitments. Excellencies, bridging the digital divide is key for an equitable future. Pakistan welcomes the outcome of Global Digital Compact in this regard. We must bridge the North-South divide and prevent an East-West fragmentation of the digital space. We must ensure equitable data governance, and we must capture and control the power of artificial intelligence. Thank you very much.
I thank the Federal Minister for Defense of Pakistan,